In this video, I am going to tell you about 3 very useful Chrome extensions that will help you work faster and easier. Number 1 is Text Blaze. Let's first install it, and then I will show you how useful this extension is. Open the Chrome browser and navigate to google.com. Search for the Text Blaze Google extension. Click the link to open it. Click on Add to Chrome. Click Add Extension. This will install the extension into your browser. Click on the extensions and open the Text Blaze extension. Click on Go to Dashboard. This will open Text Blaze in a new tab. You can click on Demo Snippets to customize it according to your needs, or click on the plus symbol to create a new snippet. Change the label name to your name. For demonstration purposes, I will write Address 1. Set any shortcut key for this snippet. I will use \DR1. Now type the text that you want to be automatically typed when you use that shortcut key. I will write some address here. Now create another snippet and name it Address 2 with the shortcut key \DR2. I am writing some text in Address 2. Changes will be automatically saved. Now let me show you how it works. In the Google search box, type the shortcut key \DR1. You can see the text has automatically displayed in place of the shortcut key. Now type the second shortcut key \DR2. You can see the text has automatically displayed in place of the shortcut key. We can use these shortcut keys anywhere in Google Chrome, and you can customize your keys as many times as you want. Now let's move to our second extension, which is Temp Mail. In many situations, we are asked to provide an email to get a temporary code or activation link to proceed with our activity. This extension will help you by providing a temporary email to achieve your target. Let's open google.com and search for the Temp Mail extension. Click the link to open it. Click Add to Chrome. Click on Add Extension. This will install the extension into your browser. Close the tab and open a new tab. I will open my Gmail and compose a new email. Now click on the extensions and open the Temp Mail extension. This is the temporary email we can use. We can change it. Now copy this temporary email. Paste it here. Type something in the subject and email body. Click on Send. Now open the Temp Mail extension again and wait until you receive the email. You can see a notification has appeared that you have a new email. Click on Inbox to open it. Click on the email to open it. You can see we have received that message. So in this way, we can get activation links or temporary codes that cannot proceed until we provide an email ID. Now let's move to our third extension, which is picture-in-picture extension. When we are watching a video on YouTube, many times we want to move to a new tab or open another application while still watching our video. This extension will help you do this. Let's open google.com and search for the picture-in-picture extension. Click the link to open it. Click Add to Chrome. Click on Add Extension. This will install the extension into your browser. Now close the current tab and open a new tab. Now open youtube.com and open any video you want to play.
Help secure your website with GoDaddy. Encrypt your website's data with an SSL certificate and show your...
Click on the Extensions tab and open the Picture-in-Picture extension. As we click on the extension, a small video screen will be displayed. We can resize this window as we want. And now you can open and work in a new tab or open any other application that you want. You can also pause this video. If you want to go back to YouTube, click on Back to Tab, and this will take you to your original YouTube tab. I am sure these extensions will help you a lot in your routine work. Thanks for watching.